I started crocheting about 6 months ago when we were in Colombia, because I'm a very sporty girl. I work out every day, but I was kind of craving more feminine clothes. I wanted to have a beach skirt. We were about to go to live at the beach, move from the city, and I got a bit tired of that. And the problem I had, that most beach clothes in the stores are not fitting my body type. I have a fairly small waist and a big butt, and when I try on clothes, I just don't fit in it with my big butt. So I'm like, okay, why don't I try and actually crochet my own skirt for the beach? And out of that thought became an obsession. Yeah, I think I'm obsessed with crocheting right now. I just wanted to put out my first project and everything, and then I'm like, okay, let's see what I crocheted in the past 6 months. And that's not even everything, but I think it got a bit out of hand, and I'm going to show you my favorite items in a try-on haul, which I crocheted for my beach collection.
Her passion project, doing these crochet. Yeah, she's been working on this for a while. Every day. Every day she's crocheting, and like for hours every single day, like on top of like working and training and being a beautiful, amazing wife. So yeah, this is I'm impressed, and there's a lot of looking down and like this with your hands. It's, oof, my neck a little bit already feeling it. But yeah, that's really cool what she does, and she makes really cool stuff. I'm super impressed. You know, just the finer details on things. Like she got some stuff.
It's more yarn, by the way.
Don't need to look too much.
And actually, one thing I truly love about crocheting is that it keeps me off my phone more, because when you're crocheting, you need your both hands and you can't be scrolling on social media. So that's what I really like about it, because I was a bit deep into the scrolling. So yeah, that helps a lot. So this is was my first project. You can see it as well, especially this side is a bit funky, I would say. And I had no idea how to really crochet. I just saw this skirt online. I'm like, okay, let's do that. And I already kind of made my own creation out of that. I added here this bowl. They were the result out of a mess up I made. And actually this skirt has an elastic band in it, and it would normally look like this. You can put it a bit down and it's a bit longer, but right now I like wearing it like this, and this is really emotional, and I still love wearing this skirt. And I was actually starting to practice on changing the colors here. Yeah, this really dope skirt. And this is so cool. When you crochet, you can really choose your own color, so you can really make sure you're wearing a high quality materials you want, the materials that are actually good for our skin. I'm going to link you the tutorial to the skirt I made in the description, but it looks different than the one I made, to be honest. Now we go change for the second set. So now we're here with the second fit. And actually I made this top for a different skirt. I'm not sure if I'm going to reveal that skirt really in this video, but it goes so well with my second skirt I ever made, this boho skirt. Just add a bit more on the skirt, because I really wanted to have like a boho see-through beach skirt. So most of the time is the issue that I either don't get the skirts over my butt, or then they are massively wide here. And that's what I love, that they are adjustable here. So I could even wear this skirt low waist if I want to, and just adjust it here myself. And yeah, would be more wearing it low waist if I wanted to. It's just a simple mesh top. It took me longer, the top, than I thought it would take me to make. Used up as well more yarn than I thought, but I love it, and I'm going to make more and more colors. And this goes so well just on this skirt here, because the skirt has a basic color. It goes really well. I never wore that together, but it goes really well here over that slight pink one. And I started to add like little details on my things. I absolutely love it. I have a dolphin, a whale fin, and some shells here because we are at the beach. This is a complete beach fit for a whole beach day. I love as well the wide open arms, and that it just falls like slightly here over my shoulder. I just see from a photo and I make them freehand. I just start making them, and some things I see on Instagram, some on TikTok, some on YouTube, so I don't always follow a tutorial. So I saw this dope shirt a girl made, like, wow, I want that too. Wrap it around here. You can tie it however you want to tie it. And then the most amazing detail is the mandala on the back. It's really dope mandala. Yeah, and it feels so good because it's all 100% cotton. It feels so natural on the skin. Fourth skirt I made, and I tried here a different pattern again. That's what I love. I'm trying to experience right now with different pattern, different colors, different styles. The shirt, actually I made that for another matching color set, which I'm not showing right now, but it goes well with this green skirt too. So that's another thing I love about crochet. If you have a couple of sets, you can really mix and match them easily. Yeah, I added here these wooden balls as a little detail on. This strangled scarf is right now going viral on TikTok. What's really dope is you can put it on your head in all kinds of forms. That looks dope. Then you can wear it as a shirt, and you can wear it over something more. I would never wear it over some jean shorts, jean skirt, or something like that. Absolute favorite set right now. This is insane, this set I made. I'm obsessed with it. This checkerboard set. Like, I found first this checkerboard hat online. I saw a girl on Instagram wearing a checkerboard hat, and I'm like, I want a checkerboard hat too. That's so fun. And then I'm like, why am I not making a skirt out of it? And then I created my own design. This is so crazy. This set, like, I get so many compliments for it. Already having people wanting it to buy. But this set goes hard. Like,
Yeah, it's lovely. It's so unbelievable. Just wait, we're gonna have more coming.
yeah.
Yeah, I can't believe this is next level. Yep.
And now my beautiful husband, I made him his first thing. I mean, he wearing the hats too. Actually, we have more hats. If you want to see more hats, I can make a video just about the hats if you're actually interested in that stuff. I have some touch-up work to do on his thing.
You want me to put it on now?
But I want him to put it on now. Yeah, please.
Grand reveal. This is unbelievable.
Yeah.
This is really nice right here. Let's go a little more.
This is dope.
Yeah.
And I wish we could transport the feeling of this, because
like haptic feedback.
It's so crazy. Yeah. That's the set we're having here. This looks crazy. Items for my summer collection. If you would like to see more crochet items I made, or if you have any ideas what I should crochet next, actually what I'm missing for my beach collection, or if you want to see my other parts I made, I can make a part 2 of this. And yeah, let me know if you're crocheting as well, why you love crocheting. I love it really for so many reasons, and it really became my second favorite hobby next to boxing, and it's a very good complementary hobby because it's more calm and reflective, and you can do that perfectly in the times you need to recover, and you can make your own clothes and your own style. That's what I really love about it. see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.